Hey everyone, Luke here. Thanks for joining me today. As you can see, buffing a hole. I'm going to do a review for you on this awesome stuff, Menzerna. Super heavy cut, 300. Used this whole bottle, went through it all before I gave you my honest opinion, and it's good. You can use this on clear coat if you want. This is also good for a gel coat. Obviously, this is what I've been using it on. Down to the very last little bit of the bottle. Still have this section of the hull left to buff out. This is where the rail was sitting. I just kind of went around it and didn't want to deal with taking it off until I pretty much made my way through the boat. So we're going to do, this is like my review of Menzerna 300 on gel coat. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll be right back. Here we go, it's a close up. Hopefully you can see this whole band right here. Still has a bunch of oxidation on it. That's where the rail was sitting. So I did everywhere else. I was just waiting to take this railing off till the end, and then need to get around this grady white here so you can see this has been compounded and polished and not touched yet. So put you on the tripod, and then we're gonna run through the compounding. Okay, here we go. Menzerna super heavy cut 300 compound. I know it's kind of hard to see. This bottle has been with me for a little while now. The whole bottle is pretty much gone. I'm going to do the first step. We're going to run with the Makita on this one. 6-inch backing plate. And I've been using these purple foam wool pads for a while now, and I'm really digging them. Much better. I like it better than your standard wool pad. They're not quite as durable, but I just think they finish down a little bit better, and they still cut really good, and they're really easy to clean. So we're going to work this section right here. Just want to show you how I use this, and since I've gone through the whole bottle, I can give you my honest thoughts. So this is the way I do it. I don't know if it's right, I don't know if it's wrong, but it works for me. I put it on an applicator. You can use a towel. This is just a microfiber applicator. You can use a 3-inch foam pad. This is what seems to work for me and keeps my pad from just getting too wet and gooey, and when it gets really wet, then it's hard to control. It jerks all around. So I like this. So we're just going to lay the strip down. I only need to polish like this area, so we won't have to worry about cross hatching. I'm just going to show you the way I use this compound. It's okay on the vinyl stripe. It's going to turn a little bit blue, which is normal. So got my thin layer. Makita Rotary, I always buff speed 1, always speed 1. And then we're just gonna kind of move it around, get it all even coat, and then just gonna run over it a couple passes. There's trigger lock, so I have movement of all my hands, my wrist, speed 1, and I don't know, enough pressure to hold the buffer against the boat, and just letting the compound do the work. Try to keep it flat. You can. You go up on the edge to get in there. It's fine. It's gonna kind of like, I call it cake up. These little kind of builds up in little spots. So once you work the compound through, then I tilt the pad up on the edge, and then the pad will remove just about all of it, and then that's how you know, that's how I assume that the compound is done working through its process. So I'm going to turn it on the edge, and there's a spot right here. You can see it's kind of blue. I'm just going to use the pad to try and get rid of it all. Go flat again. Just try to finish off this section with a flat pad, light pressure, slow arm speed, and then you won't have any holograms. And then you'll always get a little bit in these little vinyl strips, but that'll come out with the towel. And if it's really giving you a hard time, then use some rubbing alcohol and water. So that's pretty much that. And then you can see it's built up on the pad. So to clean the pad, brush from the dollar store, and then I just brush out the fibers. And good to go. I'll do one more section, so you can see me do it one more time. We'll go down here. Don't need a whole lot. This is probably more than enough. I could do a big section. That's it. Removal is pretty easy. So we just got to get in there. Get a toothbrush, fingernail. It's just part of it when you're working with these little vinyl stripes. Just make sure you get it all out for your customer. It's your boat. If you don't mind it, go with it. There you go. Okay, got your first step done. Compounded. Oxidation's gone. Wiped it off. You gotta go with some protection. So these are my two go-tos. This is Optimum Poli-Seal, and this is Smoove. These are both polymer sealants with some abrasive in it. This one's probably a little bit stronger abrasive, and this one's a little more gentle. So I like both of these. Are both fantastic. Go with either one. I'll leave links below. And to put this on, I just switched to a foam pad. Put some on my foam pad and just Work it in a couple of passes until it hazes up. Take it off, and you're done. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll be back with more fun instructional videos. Leave links to everything I use below, to Amazon. If you need this stuff, please buy through my links. Help support the channel. It really helps me out. Alright, thanks a lot.